Hey guys, it's me, Soulisas, and today I'm at the beach. Well, I'm in my cottage, but I'm at the beach. My sunscreen's all messed up. Good enough. So, I literally got burned so badly yesterday. Like, my whole entire back. Completely red. Like, bad door. My door's leaving me. But today, I got ready. I got my shirt on. I got my shorts on. Beautiful shorts. I got my snacks, my juice, my towel, of course, and my beautiful phone. I love you, phone. You're all mine. And I got my flips and my flops. I don't know why I just did that, but I'm okay with it. And I have my earbuds because, like, music. I'm probably going to bring a chair. No, I'm definitely going to bring my chair. Come back, chair. And I'm going to surprise my grandma because I'm not really up to going out right now. But, oh well. Chair can make my life so much easier. Not really, because you're on my burn. Oh, fuck well. So, if you guys have been wondering why I haven't been posting day to day, or very often, or at all, it's because I'm bored, I'm lazy, and I'm busy. Also, that thing following me, that's my chair. Don't worry, I'm not being stalked. Yet. So, I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the mini golf. It's pretty. It's boring. It's awesome. It's better when I have my cousin, who I'm going to meet at the beach. So, be right back. So, I just realized how bad the sky is right now. And I am pretty much at the beach. I'm just in the driveway for the beach. Yes, the beach has a driveway. So I'm in Hampton, New Hampshire right now. Doing my vlogs as usual, because vlogs. Oh my god. The ocean is gray. What a horror. What a nightmare. Oceans should never be gray, people. Now I literally just gotta find my spot. I don't know where I'm going. Hold on. Flip, flop. Ow! My foot. I'm a cripple. I'm probably gonna have to go back to my college to get my boogie board, but I'll do that later. When I'm not a dead man. Oh, I found my spot. That was fast-ish. Not really. Can you guys hear the waves? I don't know if you can or not. Because I can perfectly. Because I'm at the beach. I'm actually at the beach. Sand. Floors. Trash. Rocks. A gray ocean. Well, that's it for today's video. For now. I will post another vlog later today. Bye!